Hello everyone, we are here to discuss law of conservation of energy. What is this law? This law of conservation of energy states that energy can only be converted from one form to another. It can neither be created or destroyed. It means the total energy before and after the transformation remains the same, or say total energy is conserved. Let's do a small activity. Take a ball and drop it from a height h. You will see that at the surface of Earth the ball acquires a velocity. It means here it have some potential energy which converted into a kinetic energy. It means the form of energy is changed here. So for mechanical energy we can write as potential energy 1 plus kinetic energy 1 is equal to potential energy 2 plus kinetic energy 2, or say it is always constant or conserved. And we also written as mgh plus half mv square is equal to, it is constant. Here this two term is also referred as total energy, so it will always constant. Now try to solve question 10 from exercise. This question it is given mass is equal to 40 kg and it is raised to height 5 meter, and it is asked to find its potential energy, which is mgh, or this is equals to 1960 joules. In second part of this question, it is asked to find what will the kinetic energy when this object will drop from this height. So we apply here the law of conservation of energy. So potential energy 1 plus kinetic energy 1 is equals to potential energy 2 plus kinetic energy 2, which is constant. So at this position potential energy is 196 joule, but at this position this object is in rest, so kinetic energy will be 0. After dropping from here at this position potential energy will 0 because height will become 0, so mgh is become 0. So here it will gain kinetic energy which is equal to half mv square. So at ground its kinetic energy become 1960 joule. In question 10 it is asked find the kinetic energy when it is halfway of its journey. It means when h is 5 by 2 meter, what will its kinetic energy? So again law of conservation of energy, which gives potential energy 1 is equal to kinetic energy 2 plus potential energy 2. At height 5, it is mg5, and at height 5 by 2, it is mgh. It means mg cross 5 by 2. At upper position, its kinetic energy will 0. So now kinetic energy at its halfway is mg5 minus mg cross 5 by 2. So kinetic energy will be mg cos 5 by 2 joule. And we know that mg into 5 is nothing but 160. So kinetic energy that at that position will is 980 of joule. To determine rate of doing work, we introduces a word called power. Power is given by the rate of doing work or work in unit time. The unit of power is joule per second or watt. 1 watt can be defined as doing 1 joule of work in 1 second. We generally use the word kilowatt. It is equal to 1000 of watt. Now try to solve example 11.8, in which a boy of mass 50 kg runs up a staircase of 45 steps in 9 seconds. If the height of each step is 15 cm, find its power. To find power, we first find how much work he has done. To find work, we will first find how much height he climbed. So for h, we can multiply 45 into 15 centimeter, which is equals to 675 centimeter or 6.75 meters. Now work done is force into displacement, which is mass into gravitational force into displacement. So here mass is 50 kg, gravitational force is constant, g is 10 meter per second square, and displacement is 6.75 meter, which is equals to 3375 joule. To find power of that boy, we will divide this work by time. So 3375 by 9 second, it is equals to 37 watt. For commercial usage, the unit joule is too small. So in commercial use, we use the unit of energy as kilowatt hour. It means the the work done in 1 hour with the rate of 1 kilowatt. It means 1 kilowatt into 3600 second. It means 1000 joule per second into 3600 second, which means 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule of a work. In example, it is asked to find the energy consumed. So here energy is equal to power into time. So power is 60 watt cross time is 6 hours. So 3600 second into 6 into 60 watt, which is equals to 0.36 kilowatt hour, or say 0.36 unit of energy. So that's all in this class. Thank you.